Episode 9. What happens next? The big day is done. For you guys, now is the time to start enjoying married life. And for us, the work is only beginning. Here is a little glance into what happens to your photos and videos behind the scenes. Once we get done shooting a wedding, we collect the raw photos and footage and back everything up to 3 locations, 2 different drives, and online cloud storage. In cases when the final balance is paid off in full before the wedding, the photos and videos get sent to editing right away. In all other cases, the editing starts once the final balance is paid. Normally, the due date for the balance is 1 week after the wedding date. From this date, the regular turnaround time is 8 to 10 weeks. So, what actually happens during the editing process? For photos, they are sorted first, meaning all the unusable photos such as test photos, ones with closed eyes, unclear focus, or duplicate backup shots are removed. From there, all the remaining usable photos are edited for light and color. The difference between the initial shot and an edited shot can be tremendous. We shoot all photos in RAW format, which allows us to significantly manipulate them in post-production. It's worth noting that the standard editing process does not include manipulations, such as skin smoothing, slimming, object removal, etc. If after receiving your photos you feel that any of them need touch-ups, we can give you a quote for manipulations depending on the complexity of each individual task. With video, all of the footage gets watched and sifted for best clips, which will be used to create the highlight video. If your package also includes a full feature edit, meaning a 45 to 60-minute video edit that includes the whole ceremony and speeches in their entirety, the whole process happens again with a design for the full feature in mind. Because for this type of a video edit, longer clips are used. Once the clips are chosen, the editor will choose the best music to fit the story, and the magic puzzle starts coming together. If you have any specific preferences for the editing of your wedding video, like a specific non-obvious moment that you would like us to include, please make sure to let us know about it before the start of the editing process. If there is a particular song or melody you would like us to use in the video, please send us the actual music file for it. It's worth to keep in mind that not all music works well in editing, and we often had cases where couples asked us to replace the music they originally chose themselves because it simply didn't work. Replacing the music is a very time-consuming task, as we often have to rematch the beats of the video to the pace of the new music. Once the photos are ready, we deliver them through a gorgeous gallery that you can share with friends and relatives. If there are any photos in the gallery which you would prefer to keep private, please let us know, and we will activate the option for you to make any photo in the gallery visible to you only. You can also order canvases and professional photo lab prints through this gallery with just a few clicks. If you have an album included in your package or would like to add one, this is the point where we will ask you to choose the photos that you would like us to use in your album design. Once you approve the final design, the album print and delivery takes about 30 days. Each of our albums is individually crafted and hand-bound right here in the United States. The videos are delivered through a download link. If at any point after your wedding you decide that you would like to add on a full feature video edit, please let us know and we will check with our editors to see whether creating one at this point is possible, as we shoot in slightly different styles depending on whether we're shooting for a highlight video only or a highlight plus a full feature edit. In most cases, adding on a full feature video is possible, but it's definitely better for us to know before your wedding whether you would like to add one or not. Both photos and videos are delivered in high definition, and there is no quality loss because of online delivery. As a bonus, all of our video packages also include raw footage, meaning all of the video that we shoot during the wedding. The footage is compiled or glued together for viewing convenience, but it is not edited or organized. We give the raw footage to our couples because we want them to keep as many fun memories from their wedding day as possible. The photo gallery and the video link are temporary and they will expire, so make sure to download everything as soon as you receive it and back up all of your photos and videos in order not to lose them. Although we try to keep all of the final files, once we send them to you, you become responsible for your photos and videos and their safekeeping. The post-production checklist is very short. If I have any editing notes or preferences, I will send them to the I Do Photography before the editing process starts. I will download and back up all of my photos and videos as soon as I receive them.